I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. First, confirm your iPad supports Ipados 26 and plug it in or reach 50% battery. Back up now to iCloud or your Mac so you can restore if needed. Once backed up, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and sign into Settings to confirm your Apple ID. Now open Settings General Software Update and tap Download and Install. This starts the system download and prepares your device. Leave it on and stay connected until the next step. Once the download completes, tap Install and allow the iPad to reboot. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on model and storage. During installation, you'll see progress bars and multiple restarts. Do not interrupt power or Wi-Fi. After the initial boot, you'll go through setup prompts for privacy, location, and new features. Read the brief explanations and choose your preferences. Make sure to enable critical settings like Find My and automatic updates, so future upgrades are smoother and more secure. After setup, verify Ipados 26 in Settings General About and recheck storage and app behavior. If some apps need reauthorization, sign back into Apple ID and third-party services. For sluggishness, give it one full charge cycle and a restart to allow indexing to finish. If the update fails or boot loops, connect to a Mac, try a restart, free up 10–20% storage, then use recovery or DFU mode to reinstall the OS. That recovery step fixes most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.